This is one of the most requested dinners that I made at university. Step one is to press the tofu. We're using firm tofu. Wrap it in a clean tea towel and then place something heavy on top. In the meantime, I will cook some rice. Now we will make the sauce. I will fry up some spring onion, some ginger and some garlic. Today I'm going to use soy sauce, and this is my current obsession. It's called Ssamjang. It's a Korean fermented chili. Really guys, use whatever you want. I've done it with sriracha as well. As you can see, the tea towel has soaked up heaps of the water. Cut it into cubes. Coat the tofu in a little bit of corn flour, and this makes it super nice and crispy. Fry these until they become nice and crispy and golden. I've never done these in the air fryer, but I would imagine that it would work. The sauce. Oh, sorry. Very good.